dividing negatives, these are very similar to multiplication. The only difference is, of course, we're now dividing. Once again, strictly speaking, this is not in the Year 7 syllabus. It's a Year 8 topic. But as with multiplication, very often it's in the textbooks and very often it's taught in Year 7. If the signs are the same, that is, they are both positive or both negative, the result will be positive. So just like with multiplication, if we do a positive and we divide it by a positive, that gives us a positive result. A negative divided by a negative gives us a positive result. So basically that's what happens when they are the same. If we have a positive and we divide by a negative, that gives us a negative divided by a positive gives us a negative. So when they are different, we end up with a negative. So if we have negative 24 divided by a positive 4, those signs are different, telling me the answer will be negative. And then just like with the multiplication, I just ignore the signs and just do 24 divided by 4, which I know is 6. Negative 24 divided by negative 2, that's a negative divided by a negative. The signs are the same, so I know the answer would be positive. Now I can either write that plus down or just leave it. 24 divided by 2 is 12. I know this is a positive 12 because it doesn't have a negative sign in front of it. Positive divided by a negative, signs are different, the answer will be negative. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Positive divided by a positive, that's going to be a positive. 24 divided by 24 is 1. Expressing this in this way is the same as doing 48 divided by negative 16. You should get used to divisions being expressed this way. As you go through high school, you'll use this divide sign less and less and express your divisions more like fractions. So we're doing a positive divided by a negative, telling me the answer is negative. 48 divided by 16 is 3. And finally, we have a negative divided by a negative, so that's a positive. 100 divided by 50 is 2.